What if I told you a woman's faith was stronger than any weapon? Long ago, there lived a woman named Vrinda. She was known for her pure heart, truth, and deep devotion to Lord Vishnu. Vrinda was married to Jalandhar, a powerful demon king. Even though he was a demon, Vrinda stayed faithful and lived a life of Dharma. Because of Vrinda's purity and loyalty, a divine power protected her husband. As long as Vrinda remained devoted, no one could defeat Jalandhar. Over time, Jalandhar became proud of his power. He attacked the gods and disturbed peace in the universe. The gods understood that his strength did not come from weapons, but from Vrinda's devotion. To restore balance and protect the world, Lord Vishnu took responsibility. Through divine wisdom, the protection created by Vrinda's purity was broken. Once that protection was gone, Jalandhar lost his power and was defeated in battle. But when Vrinda realized what had happened, her heart was filled with sorrow. She did not curse the gods, she did not turn angry, she accepted destiny with silence and faith. Lord Vishnu appeared before her and spoke gently. Your devotion is pure and eternal. Your sacrifice will never be forgotten. Vrinda then left her human body. From her devotion, Tulsi was born, the most sacred plant in Hinduism. Lord Vishnu declared, without Tulsi, my worship is incomplete. From that day on, Tulsi became a symbol of pure devotion, faith, and sacrifice. Even today, when people worship Tulsi, they remember Vrinda's eternal devotion. So, the message of this story is simple. Pure devotion has great power. True faith becomes eternal. So, was Vrinda's sacrifice was pain or divine purpose? Come and devotion if you understand her faith.